Welcome to Packet Brew. Today we'll cover EIGRP in 5 minutes. EIGRP is Cisco's proprietary Advanced Distance Vector Protocol, often called a hybrid protocol because it combines the best features of distance vector and link state protocols. By the end of this video, you will understand what makes EIGRP special, its key components, algorithm, metrics, and packet types. Now let's dive in. What makes EIGRP special? Unlike traditional distance vector protocols that send their entire routing table periodically, EIGRP only sends updates when network changes occur. This makes it incredibly efficient and scalable. It uses dual algorithm to guarantee loop-free routing and provide fast convergence. Key components: neighbor discovery. EIGRP routers form adjacencies using hello packets sent every 5 seconds on high-speed links and 60 seconds on low-speed links. Routers must agree on autonomous system numbers and key values to become neighbors. Topology table. Each EIGRP router maintains a topology table containing all learned routes to destinations. This isn't just the best routes. It's all routes the router knows about. It also shows the feasible distance and advertised distance. Feasible distance is the metric from local router's perspective, and advertised distance is the metric from next hop router to destination. After calculating the feasible distance and advertised distance, EIGRP will choose the best path and put it on the routing table. It only contains the best routes that Dual has determined to be loop-free. The diffusing update algorithm, also known as Dual. Dual maintains two types of routes. Successor, the best route to a destination, the one with the lowest metric. Feasible successor, a backup route that meets the feasibility condition. The feasibility condition is when the advertised distance of the feasible successor must be lower than the feasible distance of the successor. For us to illustrate, let's add another router to the topology. Looking at R1, this will be the topology table. In this case, the successor will be via R2 since the feasible distance is lower. And the path via R4 will be the feasible successor since it meets the feasibility condition. The feasibility condition prevents loops by ensuring a backup route's advertised distance is less than your current successor's total distance. EIGRP uses a composite metric based on bandwidth, delay, load, reliability, and MTU. To calculate the metric, EIGRP has K values embedded in the formula. This is the formula. There are 5 K values, but by default, K2, K4, and K5 are set to 0. So normally, only bandwidth and delay is used in the formula. K1 and K3 are equals to 1, making the metric equals the sum of K1 times bandwidth and K3 times total delay multiplied by 256. Substituting the values, we have metric is equals the sum of 10 raised to 7 over minimum bandwidth plus total delay multiplied by 256. EIGRP packet types. We have hello for neighbor discovery and keep alive, update for routing updates, query to ask neighbors about lost routes, reply for response to queries, and act to acknowledge reliable packets. EIGRP uses different administrative distances. For internal routes, 90. For external routes, 170. And summary routes use 5. Why network engineers love EIGRP? For fast convergence, scalability, bandwidth efficiency, load balancing, and route summarization. Now let's check EIGRP configuration. To configure EIGRP, go to Global Configuration Mode and enter the following commands. Router EIGRP, AS number, network address, and no auto summary to disable automatic summarization. Here is an example with values. AS number should be the same on all routers in EIGRP topology. EIGRP strikes an excellent balance between simplicity and advanced features. While it's Cisco proprietary, it remains one of the most efficient and reliable IGPs available. Its ability to provide fast convergence with minimal network overhead makes it ideal for enterprise networks where Cisco equipment dominates. The key to EIGRP success is understanding that it's not just about finding the best path. It's about maintaining loop-free backup paths for instant failover when needed. That's a wrap. This is EIGRP in 5 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more networking videos. See you next time.